Have you ever heard the term fibrofatty tissue? We RASAI Nutrie help you in breaking down the fascinating world of fibrofatty tissue, where fat meets scar tissue and why it matters for your health. Fibrofatty tissue is a combination of two components: adipose tissue, which is fat, and fibrous connective tissue, which is made up of collagen fibers. This mixture can form naturally or as a result of injury, inflammation, or disease. Understanding it helps us see how our body repairs itself, and sometimes, how it goes wrong. Fibrofatty tissue can be found in many parts of the body like heart, muscle, breasts and nervous system. In conditions like arrhythmogenic right ventricular cardiomyopathy, ARVC, the heart muscle is gradually replaced by fibrofatty tissue, weakening its function and leading to arrhythmias. After severe injury or repeated inflammation, muscle fibers can be replaced by fibrofatty deposits, reducing strength and flexibility. Fibroglandular and fibrofatty tissue make up the bulk of breast tissue, and their proportion changes with age, hormones, and health status. In multiple sclerosis, damaged nerve tissue can be replaced by fibrous and fatty tissue in a process called gliosis. This mixture forms as part of the body's repair process. When tissue is damaged, fibroblasts rush in to lay down collagen, forming scar tissue. If fat cells infiltrate the area, either because of chronic inflammation, loss of normal cells, or metabolic signals, you end up with a fibrofatty patch. This can stabilize the area but may also reduce its original function. Fibrofatty replacement isn't always harmless. It is the body's way of balancing repair and stability, but too much of it can mean the tissue loses its normal function. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.